If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Restoring a company file replaces all information in the selected company file with information from a selected backup file. This is a critical feature you must learn to do in case of company data file corruption or loss. You can choose to restore the company data only, the customized forms only, the web transactions only, or all three things at once. However, because all company data is interrelated and stored in a single data file, you cannot restore individual components of a company file, like a single invoice, for example. To restore a company file in Sage 50 Accounting from a cloud backup in Microsoft 365, formerly called Office 365, select File, Cloud Backup, Restore from the Cloud from the menu bar. Assuming you are signed in to your Microsoft 365 account, then in the Restore Wizard, select Cloud Backup File window that opens. The available backup files appear in a list. If not signed in, there is a sign-in link at the top of the window which you need to use to sign in to view the backups for the account. For the signed-in account, select the backup file to use for the restore procedure from the list shown. Then click the Next button to continue. At that point, Sage 50 then downloads the selected backup file. The next screen, titled Restore Wizard Select Company, then proceeds as a normal local file restore would. Here you select an option button to either overwrite existing company data or create a new company using the restored data. You can click the Browse button here to open a window that lets you select the file to overwrite if needed. When ready, click the Next button to continue. In the Restore Wizard Restore Options screen, check the checkboxes for the types of data to restore. Then click the Next button to continue. In the final Restore Wizard confirmation screen, review the information, and then click the Finish button to finish and restore the company file if it all looks correct. If overwriting an existing company, you must then click the Yes button in the confirmation dialog box to overwrite the file. Sage 50 then proceeds to restore the company data from the cloud backup file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.